Hey, Bob Carr here for the Bob Carr Show. This episode, I got the pleasure of speaking with Fred from Westside Auto Repair. Fred, it's a pleasure to have you in the studio today. How are you, sir?
I'm good, thank you.
You've been in the auto industry, truck industry, repair, overhaul industry for a long time.
Very long time.
So where did you first start off doing, Fred?
At first, helping my father. My father was a
Mechanic?
Yes, he was a tractor trailer mechanic, and as a 12 to 14-year-old boy, I worked with him on the weekends.
Did you? Assisting him, holding tools, learning?
Learning, getting hollered at, you know. So yeah, learning what your tools are and stuff like that. And
I got you. Hand me a rag. Hand me a rag, boy. Hand me that wrench.
Well, certain pliers, hammers, wrenches, you know. Hold this while I try to push this in, your transmission work and stuff like that. So
I got you. So you always had a knack for it?
Yes and no. I always thought I wanted to learn how so I could repair my own cars and not have to pay somebody.
Oh, that's what your attraction was.
And it turned to my father getting me a job with him.
I got you.
And of course, as a 16-year-old, I was in a truck shop, you know, and in high school, I was the second highest paid kid in the state of Maryland.
Were you?
There was a young lady that did, I guess, an accounting job or something, and of course, I did truck repair. So
you were making good money as a teenager.
Yes. I was making about $11 an hour in school, and then I worked about 55 hours a week. So it was a long, you know, I had a split schedule, so I went to school till noon, and then from 1 to 9, I worked the truck shop.
This is high school?
Yeah, and then high school. And then I worked the weekends also, like cleaning and stuff like that on the trucks and stuff.
I gotcha.
So it was all overtime. So yeah, I made about $500 a week. Roughly.
That was good money back then.
Oh, that was great money, but my father got sick and couldn't work. So then it turned to me helping take care of the family, you know, so. But that's part of it, you know.
So fast forward, what got your attention of coming over, working at Westside over here in Crofton?
One of my friends works there.
Who's that?
Gene.
Oh, okay.
Gene's always been my go-to guy.
Gotcha.
If I was doing something at home and wasn't sure, I could call him, borrow a tool or some knowledge. And then if Gene had something to do, he could come to my house and do whatever he needed. When he lost his one job, I stored his tools and stuff. So,
gotcha.
So we become pretty good friends, and he got me to come down here and give him a hand.
That's right, because when I first met you over there, you were just kind of helping out.
Yeah, exactly.
You helped me with a truck repair one day, and you and I hit it off. We got us talking, but you were kind of like filling in here. I'm here just to help out.
Yeah, I was.
Next thing I knew, you were there full time.
Well, once Doug met me, and you know, and Doug's like, I don't know, everybody here for some reason seems to like you. I don't know why. So on that note, he didn't want to let me leave, and I didn't want to leave because I like the place. I like the people. I like the hours, you know, and I'm learning too because I haven't been a auto technician, you know, so now I'm learning with the new cars too, so.
That's a lot to learn.
Yeah, a whole lot to learn.
I gotcha.
A whole lot to learn, and Ronnie's very good. He's patient with me, you know, because when I'm unsure, you know.
Sure. And better to be that way than be a know-it-all.
Well, if you try to guide yourself along, sometimes you'll have issues. So
I got you.
But,
so you got a good future there.
Yes, with them very much.
Good deal.
I guess.
Come on,
right,
Fred.
You know.
Come on.
You know.
Fred, do you repair? I take it you do, but you know I'm never over there, obviously every day. But all our fleets comes over there. Do you ever work on any of our TLC trucks?
Yes.
But you can write some stories on that, huh?
Just normal repair stuff.
Normal?
Yeah, you know, it's.
I know the guys, unfortunately, leave trash in the trucks, and we're always cleaning that out. And it's just like guys are guys, and they leave papers all over the place.
They're construction workers. That's what's going to happen.
I got you.
And I've seen way worse.
Have you?
Yes.
I got you. I don't know how guys even get in the truck the next day. You know, we got 2 dumpsters here at the shop. I don't know why they don't pull the truck in at night, unload all the stuff.
I see some of that. I've seen a lot of that with the trucking industry, with the tractor trailers.
Did you?
Well, these guys are stuck in their trucks, so there's not a lot of pulling over and stuff like that. And
I'm glad that you're out of that and helping us on residential and easier type of repairs, and folks appreciate you more too, I'm sure.
yeah, I would say.
Well, because you see these folks shaking hands with them, they finish up, they're happy. I know I'm always
Yes.
happy anytime you help me out on a repair. It's like, man, this is great. You're knowledgeable, you get me in and out, and I'm back on the road.
People bring us food, donuts. So
People
I
appreciate
guess
you.
we are appreciated
Yep.
down there. I'll say the businesses. I'm the helper guy.
Well, I appreciate you. You know that.
Well, hey, it was nice to meet you, Bob, for sure. I've enjoyed speaking with you every time. I remember the second time I seen you and you didn't say something to me, and I said, "Hey, no love." Remember? And you're like,
I redeemed
"Oh."
myself quickly.
Right. Oh no,
I had something on my mind that day, and afterwards I felt terrible, and I was like, man, Fred won't think I'm loving no more.
Oh no.
It's all good, Fred. We
Right.
appreciate you, sir.
Thank you.
And this wraps up another episode of the Bob Carr Show. Stay tuned next week for another episode.